Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome back to Bitcoin Bulletin, where we dive into the latest developments in the world of cryptocurrency. Today, we're going to challenge a popular narrative. Bitcoin doesn't need ETFs, it needs grocery stores. Imagine walking into your local grocery store, filling your cart with bread, milk, and eggs, and paying with Bitcoin at checkout. No fuss, no conversion to fiat, just a quick scan of a QR code and a transaction confirmed on the blockchain. This isn't a pipe dream. It's the kind of real-world application that could catapult Bitcoin adoption to new heights. But despite this vision, Bitcoin remains a rarity at the point of sale. So why is that? One reason is volatility. Spending Bitcoin on groceries feels like a gamble when its value could jump 10% by dinner time. But what if we told you there's a better way? Bitcoin ETFs are hailed as a bridge between traditional finance and the crypto frontier, making it easier for institutions and retail investors to dip their toes. However, they turn Bitcoin into a speculative asset, a ticker symbol for portfolio diversification, rather than a functional currency. They tether it to the very financial system Bitcoin was meant to sidestep. The problem with ETFs is that they don't address the deeper challenge, making Bitcoin useful in everyday life. True adoption comes when Bitcoin moves from trading screens to checkout lines, from a speculative asset to a global currency. But how do we get there? For starters, the Bitcoin community needs to prioritize usability over speculation. Companies like MNEE and Handcash, which integrate Bitcoin payments, should push harder into retail partnerships. Governments could also help by offering tax incentives for merchants who accept digital assets. Education is key. Most people still see Bitcoin as a get-rich-quick scheme, not a practical tool. Campaigns showing how to buy a coffee with Bitcoin or better yet, a week's groceries could shift perceptions. And volatility might need a cultural reframing. Instead of a bug, it's a feature of a nascent currency finding its footing. So, what does the future hold for Bitcoin? It doesn't need ETFs. It needs grocery stores, bodegas, and markets where real people spend real money. That's how it grows, multiplies, and conquers. The revolution Satoshi envisioned wasn't about Wall Street's balance sheets. It was about empowering individuals to transact freely. Join us next time on Bitcoin Bulletin as we explore the intersection of cryptocurrency and real-world adoption. Until then, thanks for watching.